You are going to love the 2015 Encore. The Encore captures Buick's traditional strengths while demonstrating luxury and style in a petite size. It's amazingly quiet at freeway speeds, and the suspension engulfs pavement imperfections, providing passengers with a pampered ride. Standard features that would make any car owner smile. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: air conditioning, cruise control, daytime running lamps, cargo cover. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.